Hello guys, this is Sukhada Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे current affairs of 17 September 2022. Before starting with the current affairs, don't forget to follow our Instagram channel EduCARE Official, where regular exam updates and the quiz are conducted. Dur Se Namaste is a television series which promotes healthy behavior in a post-pandemic world. It is a fictional Hindi series developed in an entertainment education format, highlighting the challenges of the post-pandemic world and promotes the adoption of healthy behavior and practices. This program will be launched by UCET and UNICEF and will be available on Doordarshan and YouTube. Industrialist Swati Piramal conferred with France's top civilian honor, that is the Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur or the Knight of the Legion of Honor. International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer was observed on 16 September, where the theme of the day was Montreal Protocol at 35, Global Cooperation Protecting the Life on Earth. The day holds significance as the ozone layer that absorbs most of the ultraviolet radiation of the sun and thus limits the amount of its radiation that reaches the humans. As the radiation can cause skin cancer, cataracts, and several other health-related complications, the ozone layer plays an important role. However, there are reports that suggest that the northern hemisphere's ozone layer's thickness has fallen by 4% annually. Among the significant destroyers of the ozone layer are man-made chlorofluorocarbons, also known as CFCs. Varanasi has been nominated as the first ever SEO tourism and the cultural capital during the period 2022 to 23 at the 22nd meeting of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Council of the Heads of the State Summit here, which saw participation by PM Narendra Modi. SEO tourism and cultural capital will promote tourism, cultural, and humanitarian exchanges between India and the SEO member countries. It will also underline India's ancient civilization links with the member states of the SEO, specifically the Central Asian republics. Under the framework of this major cultural outreach program, a number of events will be hosted in Varanasi during 22 to 23, for which the guests will be invited to participate from the SEO member states. These events are expected to attract Indologists, scholars, authors, musicians, and artists, photojournalists, travel bloggers, and other invited guests. Pranav Anand, at the age of 15, became India's 76th chess grandmaster. Coming on to the current affair quiz, the first question for the day is the Greenfins Hub, first ever global marine tourism industry platform, is associated with which institution? The second question for the day is which institution organized the Angan 2022 conference? The third question for the day is Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janoshadhi Pariyojana is associated with which union ministry? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are Shunya campaigns aimed at which process? The correct answer is reduce air pollution by using EVs. Which country is the host of the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup 2022? The correct answer is India. Roger Federer announced retirement from tennis on September 15, 2022. How many Grand Slams the tennis star has won? The correct answer is 20. Shout out to Rujusha, Heta Chabia, Priya, and Sayam Kapadia for giving the correct answers in the previous video. Don't forget, guys, that EduCARE is conducting a weekly current affair quiz contest where one winner is going to get an Amazon voucher worth ₹100 every week for commenting on the answers correctly on the daily current affair quiz. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon to get the video as soon as possible and answer the current affair quiz questions first. That's it, guys. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. For more such MCQ questions, please download the app from the link which is given in the description box below. For classroom recorded lecture, books, ebooks, and live class facilities, please contact on the number which you can see on your screens.